Hey guys, this is Simran, born and raised in Nepal, and right now living my dream life in Canada. So, usually I do vlogs, life updates, travel, and all that good stuff. But today we're doing something very different. I love watching TV shows and movies, and recently I got absolutely obsessed with this new show, The Traders. So, in this video, I am tier ranking the contestants of this show. So, let's quickly get started. Before getting into your diagram, I just need to tell something. I started watching this show thinking that it would be really cringe, about the Urfiko show, the Prime Ani Bollywood vibes, and they are cringe, I know. I thought this type of your show, but oh my god, I got hooked. I got obsessed. मलाई सपनामा पनि म ट्रेडर्सको देख्न थालेँ होइन अनि just want to talk more about this show. अनि म मेरो साथीहरू सबैसँग गसिप गरेर सकिसक्यो so now I want to gossip with you guys. So here, let's gossip more and rate these contestants. And no hate to anybody. I know I'm not that famous, but in case म famous भएँ यो यो भिडियोबाट भयो please no hate to anybody. It's just my opinion. त्यो पनि अहिलेको opinion हो. So let's get started. So first Masai Ilas, I don't want to talk about her earlier because she's very special and important character. अलिकति पछि कुरा गरौँ हैन. Okay, hers पनि अलि पछि नै कुरा गरौँ. Let's start from Janvi. Okay, let's start from the last tier, John Cena's. Okay, so John Cena चाहिँ किन मैले राखेको भने you cannot see me जस्तो टाइपको छ नि त अनि these people are not that visible. खासै केही पनि गरिरहेको छैन. Okay. So for me, I don't know if I want to. जनि मलाई यो उसलाई जानवीलाई माथि लग्न भन्छ कि छैन. Okay, fools मा राख्ने कि जोन सिनास मा राख्ने or floaters मा राख्ने. And she was okay, she was good, but she wasn't doing much. Nobody liked her. So she was definitely visible, but show wise, she was not bringing anything. No drama. ठुसा परेर कुनामा बस्थ्यो so she was not bringing anything into the table. No entertain भइरहेको थियो मान्छे त्यहाँको contestant पनि they were really agitated and I was agitated too. So she will be in Zone Cena's gang. Okay, so next is Jannat. Oh my god, she's such a cute, sweet, and kind hearted person. I just love her, and I think everybody, contestant on everybody, loved her, and she is this type of person कि जो कसैलाई नराम्रो hate हुँदैन, but she was sadly an innocent, and I think if she was a traitor, then she would have been really good traitor. कसैले suspect गर्दैन त because she is a very sweet person. अनि उसको personality नै त्यस्तै छ, so उसलाई traitor बनेर उसको personality नै maintain गर्ने. Nobody would have killed her. She could have like easily been a good traitor. I don't know, fun हुन्थ्यो कि हुन्न थियो. Fun हुन्थ्यो because इल्नासलाई पनि कसैले सस्पेक्ट गरेको थिएन. त्यस्तै हुन्थ्यो होला जन्नत. If Jannat was traitor, oof, mind blown. So Jannat is definitely not John Cena, not a fool, because she was a very very smart person. किनभने she found out Horace is a traitor अनि उसले आफूलाई sacrifice गर्यो and she left the show. She is a goodie. She is a good person and a good player. So okay, next is Jasmine. Okay, let's start with John Cena. Is she John Cena? No, she I think she's a fool. I'm sorry, she tries to use her brain, but it's not that good. Now hers. Let's start with John Cena's section. Well, he was definitely visible. So was he a fool? No, he's a very sweet person. I think he would go in goodies. He did play really good as innocent. He was always there, always proved himself innocent. And as soon as he turned out to be traitor, everybody started to suspect him. And so I think that was not a good time for him to be a traitor. So goodies section, he was a good person. He was a good player as an innocent. So I think he will be in goodies. Karan Kundra. I've seen his shows since I was kid. I was his big fan. I had a lot of expectation from him. So, but he was not trying to defend himself. He didn't care much. He was definitely not a fool. So I'm sorry. I love Karan Kundra Aru Keswa, but yo show case he was not doing anything. Not task गरिरहेको थियो राम्रोसँग. No, he was defending himself. And I was just like, why? Mal out got so he is in Zone Sina's section. Lakshmi, I mean, she got out so fast. I didn't even know who she was. So I think definitely Zone Sina's Ella's. Oh my god. No, C is a super player. So no doubt. I don't even want to start with Tolokotar. C is my favorite. I love her. She played so nicely. It felt so effortless, but it was like a proper brain strategized and सुरुदेखि I mean निकितालाई आउट गर्ने फर्स्ट पार्ट नै देखि she was like awesome. She used her brain उसलाई आउट गर्न पनि and त्यो मात्र नभएर लास्टसम्म पनि like she cried यत्तिकै नै she cried and like she fought for herself. I wanted her till the last episode. म यति खुसी हुन्थेँ नि ऊ लास्ट एपिसोडसम्म भएको भयो. ओ माई गड यस्तो राम्रो गेम खेलेको थियो. आई मिन कसैले पनि सस्पेक्ट गर्दैन. हि डिजर्भ टु बी अ ट्रेटर एन्ड आई लभ हर फर द्याट. निकिता, ओ माई गड निकिता. Let's start with Tolako सबभन्दा जोन सिना वाला टियरबाट. Develop her to the fools section because I mean I thought she was a poker player, right? Poker player भएर पनि she played in such a way that she didn't give any input, and every input and every analysis of her was wrong. I had so much of expectations from her because she said that she was a poker player, and poker player भएपछि अलिकति oh my god, she could have used her brain, but nope. So Mahip, okay, Mahip is goodies. Was a good player. It was like constantly she was associated with Bollywood. सबै मान्छेहरूले उसलाई जबरजस्ती त ट्रेटर हुनैपर्छ त ट्रेटर त अनसुला एउटाबाट चाहिँ ट्रेटर हुनैपर्छ भनेर जबरजस्तीसँग गरेर उसलाई निकालेको. She defended her well, but nobody listened to her and she wasn't innocent and she got out. So for me, she is definitely in goodies. Purav, he is a Pookie. Oh my god, Apurva and Purab Unarko edit. It's so fun. It's so fun. And I instantly thought like when it was like when in his video he talks about like I cannot lie to her eyes. It was so cute. So he is a super player. I mean he is definitely after Ilnas for me because Ilnas ले जुन त्यो secret mission गरेको थियो, he just said no, म त गर्दिनँ. So because of that reason, Ilnas made like number one. Then after Puro traitor को लागि. So but he played really well. I mean उसले आफ्नो माथि एकचोटि पनि शङ्का हुन दिएन. एकचोटि पनि, which is like great traitor. Raftar. I'm sorry, but I didn't know him. Yo show भन्दा अगाडि and turns out he is a very famous rapper, and I think he goes to goodies section, goodies tire because oh my god, sore on his whole career. I mean that was something. He got emotionally attached and was self-aware at the same time. And video diary मा चाहिँ मैले यस्तो किन गरेँ होला भन्दै थियो होइन. अनि यता चाहिँ stupid काम normal केही जस्तै गरिरहेको थियो नि. He tried to defend himself and उसको रियाक्सनहरू यस्तो जेन्युन थियो नि. मान्छे आफू इनोसेन्टलाई सबै मान्छेले त ट्रेटर हो भनेर गाली गर्दा I mean म भएको पनि त्यसरी नै रियाक्ट गर्थेँ नि. I think he reacted in the same way. He was really sad that Karan got out, which because of him, and because of that reason he was already agitated and like angry with himself and everybody else. And त्यसैमा अरूले इन्स्टिगेट गर्यो ऊ नै ट्रेटर हुनुपर्छ and he got like पुरै हुन्छ नि आक्रोशमा पुग्यो ऊ, and then everything fell apart for him and he walked away, but he played well as an innocent. Okay, Raj Gondra was a fool for me because okay, hear me out. He got traitor. He got to be a traitor. They din and he got out. They din. I mean, he overdid. He was like mata innocent, mata traitor हुँदै हैन म traitor हैन. He was trying to prove his innocence and tried to oversell it. Because of that reason, I feel like he was a fool. He could have done better, and he was trying to oversell उसको अरू काण्डहरू पनि. I mean like my wife tells मेरो मेरी बीवी सच कहती है कि मैं झूठ नहीं बोल सकता, in that way, and it was like so funny. Okay, Sophie. Honestly, I didn't know about him. I have seen him in Apurva's video, but other than that, I thought he was his friend. I didn't know he was famous or something. For me, he is goodies. He's not a super player because not goodies as in a good person. He's a bitch, but still he played really well. I mean, he questioned everybody. He raised questions. He was like so selfish and he owned it. I mean, म उसको मलाई ऊ मन परेको पार्ट चाहिँ कुन हो भने उसको 10 लाख वाला पार्ट छ नि, त्यसमा चाहिँ आई निड 10 लाख भनेर 10 लाख लिएर गयो नि. म भएको नि त्यही गर्थेँ. आई मिन सबैजनाले पट त्यही नै गरिरहेछ नि त होइन, अन्त पट त डिभाइड हुने हो नि त इनोसेन्टमा. अनि आउट भयो भने त के पनि पाउँदैन, बाँच्यो भने पनि डिभाइड हुने हो. सो 10 लाख जित आफ्नो लागि पायो गयो. सो द्याट वाज रियली स्मार्ट मुभ. ओके, वी आर हियर टु उर्फी. सो आई थिङ्क उर्फी फर मी इज गुडी. She is not a super player. She could have been if she had played really well. I mean, I had a lot of high expectations from her because my खसी ऊ चाहिँ पुरै रेभलर्स टाइपको थियो नि त होइन, दिमागै युज गरेन कि ऊ यो ट्रेटर होला भनेर त उसले सोच्दा नि सोचेन, एकचोटि पनि सोचेन, कहिले राइट पनि भएन. सो सी इज गुड इज फर मी बिकज आई हेभ काइन्ड अफ सफ्ट कर्नर फर हर, बट not a super player, not a super player. Ansula, oh my god, she is a floater because सेल्फ फ्लोटिङ यता कहिले कहिले उता. आई मिन जसले जे भन्यो त्यतै लागेको थियो, आफ्नो दिमाग कहिले युजै गरेको थिएन. बट सी वाज नट फुल बिकज ऊ धेरै लास्टसम्म बाँकी रह्यो होइन. सी कुड हेभ डन बेटर, बट आई थिङ्क इट्स हर फर्स्ट सो. अनि मैले उसलाई त्यो भयो योभन्दा अगाडि चिनेको पनि थिएन. सी इज अ स्विट हार्ट, बट सी डिन्ट एड एनिथिङ टु द टेबल. बट ऊ चाहिँ अरूहरूको दिमागमा चलेर नै कति टाइमसम्म बाँचिरह्यो नि त. सो आई लाइक द्याट अबाउट हर. Okay, Apurva, she is my favorite. She deserves to go at number one super player. She is an innocent and she played so well, so well. I mean, entire TRP नै the traitors show नै उसको कारणले चलिरहेछ अहिले. Every lots of memes, lots of edits and lots of हुन्छ नि उसकै कारणले नै भइरहेछ. And plus she used her brain. फर्स्टमा कसैले पनि गेम नबुझेको बेलामा राज कुन्द्रावाला सेक्सनमा किक्ड आउट अ ट्रेटर सुरुमा नै. त्यसपछि चाहिँ सी वाज नट राइट फर अ भेरी भेरी लङ टाइम, बट सी सर्भाइभ. हर video diaries were so pitchy and so entertaining, and I think she made the show entertaining. ऊन हटाइदियो भने शोमा it wouldn't have been that entertaining. सबै बोरिङ हुन्थ्यो, सबै मान्छेहरूको like everybody were too good to be true, and she kind of like played through the game and brought some drama to the game, and I love her for that. And I really hope she wins, but which is not possible. So innocently जित्यो भने पैसा डिभाइड हुन्छ, उसले मात्र जित्न मिल्दैन. Anyways, so she is a super player number one for me in the entire traders. Mukesh. Is that Mukesh? Okay, he was John Cena. He was like he made एउटा फनी पार्ट चाहिँ उसको के छ भने उसले भन्छ नि मोटर पनि हो भनेर कसैले सुन्यो भने त मेरो मम के माको हाई लाग्छ कि जस्तो के भन्छ नि. इट्स सो फनी. लाइक वाज लाइक मम्मी कसम होला थियो. वाज लाइक सो चाइल्डिस एन्ड हि इज अ कास्टिङ डिरेक्टर. एन्ड कास्टिङ डिरेक्टरको मुखबाट यस्तो कुरा साउन्ड सो चाइल्डिस. मेरो मम्मीको हाई लाग्छ इफ यु इभन think about me as a traitor. That was like so stupid. I mean 20-25 वर्षको मान्छेले भनेको भयो. It was like okay, but he is old AF. Sudhanshu, he was a floater. He was there last summer, but kaile eta थियो kaile uta थियो दिमाग use गर्न खोज्नु. It was not like okay. It was not that of a good player. It was like अलिकति deserved अनि अलिकति well respected हो म जस्तो attitude चाहिँ थियो उसको, but he didn't do a thing. He was there. He survived somehow यता कहिले यता लागेर कहिले उता लागेर, but he didn't do a thing. Sahil, I don't even know him, dude. I mean, I thought he was a cute guy, but other than that, nothing. किनभने ऊ सुरुमै आउट भयो, so okay. Asis, he deserved to be a super player. I know lots of people, you guys would not agree with me in this part, but for me, he was there to have fun. He had fun. He was kind of a cola bear of the show. I mean, he was chilling, he was relaxing, he was sleeping. Sabjana tends to Sabjana sochirate co-treater, but he didn't care. He was there and he was having fun, and yeah, that's what it is though. That's what the show is about. And I think because of his attitude, त्यो एटिट्युडले गर्दा पनि मान्छेहरू were like very engaged and entertained. यस्तो सोमा गयो भने यति चिल भएर रिल्याक्स भएर को बस्न सक्छ भनेर. So yeah, okay. So let me just like quickly recap मेरो tier and if I liked it. First ma Purbalnath, Purav Asis, no change in this. Goodies man, Jannat is the cutest, and I think I will rearrange in this way. I think Hers will go at last, and Mahi Raftar. Okay, so this is how I want to rearrange it, and this is okay. I think this is how it should be. So it's like they are the super player, like best. I'm descending order my best type ko गरिरहेको है म. And I think okay. No, she brought alikati weapon drama than Karan. Karan was just there. So yeah, this is it. So this is how I want my tier list to be. I genuinely love the show. I enjoy it, and I cannot wait for the next episode next Thursday. I need to upload this video and quickly edit it. So have a nice day, guys. I love you so much. Bye bye.